In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use undo and redo in AutoCAD. Mastering these two commands will save you time, reduce frustration, and give you confidence as you iterate on your drawings. Let's start with the fastest way to reverse a mistake or simply step back one move. To undo your last action, type U on your keyboard and press Enter, or click the undo button on the quick access toolbar at the top of the AutoCAD window. You'll see a small left pointing arrow icon there. As soon as you run undo, AutoCAD reverses your most recent command or change. Keep an eye on the command line, it will confirm what was undone, which is helpful if you're moving quickly through edits. Sometimes you need to go back further than one step. That's where multiple undo comes in. Type undo and press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you on the command line. Enter the number of steps you want to go back, then press enter again. Each step typically represents one completed command or action. For example, if you drew a line, moved an object, and then erased another, entering 3 will take you back before those 3 actions occurred. Take a moment to count carefully before confirming, especially on complex drawings. If you change your mind mid-command, pressing escape cancels without changing your drawing. Now, if you've undone a few steps and realize you went too far, you don't have to redo the work manually. Use redo to move forward again through the actions you just undid. Type redo and press enter, or click the redo button on the quick access toolbar, which shows a right pointing arrow. Redo restores actions in the order they were undone, letting you fine-tune your position in the drawing's history. A quick tip here, redo is only available immediately after an undo. If you perform a brand new command after undoing, the redo stack is cleared, and those forward steps won't be available anymore. A few practical habits can make these tools even more effective. Watch the command line messages so you always know what was undone or redone. Make incremental changes and test frequently, so stepping back or forward feels predictable. And save regularly. While undo and redo manage your recent history, saving ensures you have a solid baseline to return to if you need it. That's all you need to confidently control your change history in AutoCAD. Undo with U or the toolbar button, undo multiple steps with the undo command and a step count, and redo with redo or the toolbar button to restore what you've undone.